landing finally into the rough next to the testicles at the top of the shaft.
Right, they do look like testicles, don't they?
They do.
They do, yeah.
This is a very oddly shaped penis.
Cock.
Thank you. I was like, can I say that?
You're allowed to say it. You're allowed to say it. It's a good word.
Thank you for elaborating.
Very oddly shaped cock.